Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be combining speed cubing and beatboxing in the same video, so I hope you enjoy it. Three things before we start is first thing, I have a new intro this time. It was designed by my brother Roshan, so you can check him out in the description. I'll give his Instagram link. Thank you Roshi again for making the intro, very nice of you. Second thing is I got all my scrambles for this video from cubesapp.com. You can check them also in the description. I'll give their link. And third thing is please like the video if you enjoy watching it, and subscribe to the channel. Share it as much as possible because it helps me out. Thank you. Let's get on with the video. So take aim and fire away. I've never been so wide awake. No, nobody but me can keep me safe. Now I'm on my way. Take me through the night, fall into the dark side. We don't need the light, we live on the dark side. Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy hartando el plan. Solo con pensaros se acelera el pulso. Despacito. These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive. Eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you? Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.